Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk only about Bitcoin with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Guys, I want to show you just the BLX chart. So if you didn't know, it's a global chart of BTC full history. Highly recommend it time to time. Use it. I already showed you this chart on the monthly time frame. So we just zoom out and double check the main price action, main indicators signal. And I marked the 3 days. So it's October 15, May 19, and March 23. Why I marked this dates? I want to show you now with trade on indicator. Globally, guys, of course, we can go way, way higher. The people dream about something like this one, something like parabolic move, craziness. Here we always can adjust, like touch. Here's can be the touch, and we should bounce higher to the moon, to $1 million and all of this stuff, guys. But this is a global chart, and imagine since June 10, the price was now it looks weird, but 5 cents for BTC. Yes, it sounds weird. So of course now around 15 million in circulation supply, because globally it shows like CryptoRank and market cap showing us it's 19 around 20 million mined, but a lot of tokens just disappear. Some tokens being stolen, and some people lost the access to their wallets, cold one. That's why, guys, around approximately we can say the 15 million tokens in circular supply this current moment. I don't think so. The 100 on the BLX, it's 111K968, but on Binance it was around 112. It's the top of the top for BTC. Yes, I believe we're gonna hit one more new all-time high, but the top can be around 139, and I explained you why. Or in the range 139, 150. So in this range, a more attractive, of course, the 150 because it's more beautiful number, but I don't think so. It's just my humble opinion. I don't think so. We'll go to 200K for BTC. I can be absolutely wrong, guys, but I want to show you some interesting data just with my 6 indicators on a history. So you will find the patterns. I believe in 3 rise pattern: 1, 2, and third one. What I'm waiting after that? Of course, we can repeat the S&P 500 and move once again higher, right? And unstoppable move up. Possible. So this like a world reserve, like gold and all of this story behind. Possible. But what if we will see something like this one? No. Like 150, and after that we're gonna drop even under this low 49, bounce, and this will be the crucial moment, 100K, like a K level for decision, or we drop it down, form the head and shoulder, right? Now it sounds silly, so we can form the head and shoulder and the BTC will disappear. No, I don't believe in that story. So BTC is so manipulative and going to zero. No, I don't believe in this story. I like conspiracy, but not that much to believe somebody just pump and dump BTC and crypto just going to hell. No, blockchain still will be still, like attached. So BTC also. I guess the BTC on a distance will be less volatile for sure. So more likely in next cycle we'll see something like this one. Yes, next cycle around 250K. It's more than real to see. And imagine the drop, let's say to 245. It's gonna be the drop like 200% down from the just hypothetical 150. And let's say this one. 72%, 75. So yes, it's more than real to see that drop. But and that's more than real to see the 3 rise pattern: 1, 2, 3. The last impulse up. The problem now, like we can see, the institutional joined the game and countries join the game, and we get a macro. So yes, BTC follow the gold, for example, and we can see how macro, how geopolitical, how the wars affect the price. So yes, the BTC, the part of the big game, and like any asset, it's manipulative assets. Who control biggest emission? They can control the price, and trust me, with the news, without news, BTC or any token will be delivered in the right moment, in the right time, to the right target. Everything what is going on now in the world, price it in. Believe it or not. After the fact, when something happened, we go into correction. After the fact, the people talk, oh yes, we dump it because the China banned crypto. We dump it because we formed a double top and the world in Ukraine began. And blah, 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 all this stuff. We crash it down to the bottom because we should go to 10K because of FTX collapse. And we're going higher. So guys, now a lot of triggers will be for super hype, super positive, super euphoria on the market. And they will be priced in. So, when the BTC will hit the top, for example, around here, if it will be the top, just in theory, I guess BTC will start to go into some correction, bounce, form the new lower high, and go into bear market, for example. And in this area around here, we will see a lot of EDF on altcoins like Solana EDF, DOT EDF, XRP EDF. We go into the moon. We go into once again, I see this stupid videos like XRP to 1K. You're not ready for this. You're not ready, guys. Be real. So take a look. What I want to show you. ADZ. Where are we now? Global, we always form the huge divergence. Let's mark this one. So it's a monthly time frame, guys. Monthly time frame. To see it clear, we are now here. Bam. So we formed the huge divergence since April 13. 1, 2, 3. What people did recently? They post something like this one. 1, 2, fake out, fake out. The people always call it the fake out. That's why no makes sense to pay attention too much to all of these breaks or not. So we can form even the higher, for example. We go like this one and we'll be still in the divergence, with the divergence, right? So no makes sense to adjust the indicators, all the time when something happened on the chart. So you adjust the indicator to always to pretend to be right. No, guys, this is a fact. Now we get a main 2 touches. 1, 2. This is a monster time frame. This was accumulation. This is accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. Now it's accumulation. No. So why do people think now it's a great time to buy the BTC? We're not so far from the top. So this is a fact. If we double check the three months time frame, if we zoom out on the 3 months, yes, we didn't hit the top. So sooner or later, guys, after correction, for example, we will start from the divergence on a BTC on 3 months time frame, on 1 month time frame, on the second one, on 3 months time frame, 6 months time frame. So we form the patterns. So the patterns copy paste each other, during the time. Yes, now it's hard to believe in it, but this is a fact. On 6 months, imagine half year time frame, we are far from the top, but not that much. And this is definitely not accumulation. 12 months, no data. All right, got it. Let's go back to the monthly time frame. ADZ showed you. Technically, we are not so far from the top. Direction. Time to buy on a monthly, no data. We never seen the confirmation based on the direction indicator, but we saw the confirmation to be ready to sell. Here, from December, 4 months preparation to sell, crash, drop, and here was a new low, new low on the direction indicator, new high on chart. Here again, so here was a preparation, sell, and we saw the sell from 65 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months preparation. Here's a sell from 95 to 76. Here's the same story. On the weekly, of course, it was more obvious. Here's a preparation, so to fix and profit. Here's a sell. Sell was higher at 98, dropped to 74. So of course we can combine it, right? What we can see now on the 3 months? No signal to sell yet, especially of course on the 6 months. No, but soon we will see the top soon. So this is definitely, guys, not a accumulation zone, even if we early, right? So we have to be realistic. Got it. Market's mood. Even without the words, without any explanation, you can see on your screen. So this is not a time to hop into BTC like safe haven. So no matter what will happen in the world, right? So now it's not a time to in BTC, right? So this is a monthly. Time to in on a history, we can track. Time to in here, December 14, January 15. Around 300 and 163 was the time to buy. Here, of course, it's only on the monthly. If we use the monthly like a signal. November 18, 3K 500, 3K 148, January 19, 3K 362. Time to buy. This belief zone. Time to buy was here November at 782 and December 782. 16K and 15,500. Now it's not a time to in. This is a way, guys, how you can use the BLX, and track just simple algorithm. It's for investors. Of course, it's for investors. It's not for the trades. But here's a time and here's a zone where to buy BTC. So probably we can come back to this video later if we'll see, because this chronometer we can't know. Maybe it was the top. If we go higher, for example, and we go down into bear market, we can just turn on an ad alert to this belief on a BTC. And once again, it will be another bottom on a BTC. Of course, not till penny, right? We can't predict till penny, but more or less like 1K differences, we can predict the bottom. Based on previous market structure and BTC behavior. Money power. Take a look, guys. Also interesting. We never seen the accumulation by money power indicator. No, by the way, I forgot to check the market mood indicator on the high time frames. No, take a look. The 3 months I want to see. Crazy. So this was optimistic, and this is a positive. This is aphoria. 6 months. Total madness. 12 months. Bad. Kind of bad. All right, anyway, now we can use the monthly time frame for the zones to buy. Money power. Guys, take a look. We saw only the money outflow. This is kind of scary personally for me because we never seen some money inflow on the monthly. On the weekly, of course, we saw it. So here, I want to show you. So this was a comfortable price to buy, 28K. Here was a comfortable price to buy, 25K. So approximately it's, let's say like 27. Good one. Time to buy was here, June 18 at 5K 700. And here was accumulation. But if we talk about a weekly and the monthly, we never seen the signals to accumulate, only the money outflow. All right, what we can see now. Recently, we saw the RSI bearish divergence, December 17, hit the top. This one. Here was also top, RSI divergence on a monthly, October 21. Here was a top, January 75. That's why it's kind of scary, because if we are now here, yes, it can be the end of cycle and we can go down. I hope we will trade sometime again, form the new high, form the new RSI and divergence, and new money outflow and crash. Now, like you can see at this current moment, no main money outflow. It's good. It's good. Take a look, 3 months. Like you can see, no money outflow. Good one. 6 months. 6 months, step by step, yes, some whales fixed profit. 12 months, no data. All right, got it. Take a look at 2 last indicators, trade on. Sometimes we don't have to build so complicated charts and analysis, if we talk about investment. But it works for BTC because other tokens can be delisted at any single moment, and we can't take them seriously, right? This is what the days I mark. This is a 3 time in history. Just imagine 3 time in history saw the signal buy back BTC, not a buy, because like on trader indicator we got a signal to buy and signal to buy back. So this is a buyback. Sell, 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 buy back. This is a sell, buy back. It was like a beginning of the new cycle. Of course, at that time we sweep the low because of COVID dump, but everything pretty good one. This one, you could follow this pattern, buy on BTC at 20K and move to the top. Sell some part of here, sell some part here, and I wish to see one more, 1, 2, 3, third top and going down. Now let's take a look with this indicator, 3 months. Sell, buy back, and nothing. All right, 6 months, only sell. At least now, no signal to sell. Just 1 week, and we will see another candle. Yes, it's kind of scary because we will start the new candle, guys, on 6 months time frame. 12 months time frame. So we need to see 6 months. Next 6 months, I think, will be crucial for the BTC. And if we form, this is a gap. For example, we hit the new all-time high, like 140, for example. Next step, correction, will be more than okay if we drop to 59, 56. So around here probably can be the bottom on a BTC. And of course, this is a kind of strange behavior, right? Like 4-year cycle. I don't believe in 4-year cycle, but maybe it works, still works. Like 3 years up, 1 down. 3 years up, 1 down. 3 years up, and the next one can be red one down to potential bottom for the next cycle, like 55K, 49, 56, right? And the last indicator, guys, take profit. Here, everything not so brightful. On a COVID dump, everything programmed before, guys. Take a look till penny, we tested, take profit line above. All right. After that, we drop under take profit line. Here's a test of the exit line. Now we trade way over exit line. So if we compare with the history, chart, I can say we around here or around here. So one more last impulse up and will be correction. At this current moment, the exit line, is 49K. Take profit line 43, but till that time, we can test the buy line. We'll come back to this video later, I guess after the 2 years, basically, when we'll try to look and find the bottom for the BTC. But this is what I would like to show you. And it's kind of looks scary because, guys, it's definitely not a right time to hop in. On 3 months time frame, there is no data. So, guys, write please in a comment what do you think about a top of the top for BTC. If you'd like to try my custom maker set, just write me DM. It's really helpful set and give you a lot of data for analysis. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.